It's 11:20 in the morning, and you can see that Sabarmati river is flowing behind me. It's a kind of sunny day, and I here with my friend Meet came at this Sabarmati river front to enjoy my day, which is my birthday. So here, like, Sabarmati riverfront is like around maybe 10 to 15 kilometers long, and it's also expanding to very much till Gandhinagar as well. So we are trying to explore as many as part of this whole area, and we'll give you some great tour of Ahmedabad riverfront. So yep, let's meet. There are several bridges in Ahmedabad, which is over Sabarmati river, and basically it divides Ahmedabad into two halves, which is eastern and western half of Ahmedabad. So if you walk down over the southern side of Sabarmati riverfront, you will see that there is a bridge which is known as Ellis Bridge, which is said to be the oldest bridge of Sabarmati river, and soon to be demolished and newly built. So yeah, like there is another bridge over there as well. This is a foot-over bridge. Maybe you can see or not, but we'll take you there after some time. And hopefully, Sabarmati riverfront is kind of very empty on the non-weekend days. You can see that there are just boats, some ducks, and there is just empty streets or empty roads or empty fronts, whatever you say. And yeah, there is some like artful sunsets, but anyways, we are used to it because we live in Ahmedabad from long time. So if you planning to visit this place, surely do not come at noon times and come at the night times, because the vibe is completely different in the night. But we are used to it, so we just came here for some shoot and some photography. We wanted to spend our time here, the best time of my day. So yeah, here we are. And definitely I need to give shout out to my friend and today's camera person, Meet, because without him it's not possible to shoot this kind of videos. And by walking down here we reached this place which I was talking about, and it's called Atal Bridge, and you can see that it's full of people now, but we already visited there multiple times, so we won't go there up, but we'll show you as near as we can. You can see there are bicycles going on in a truck, so there are certain points where you can take out the bicycles with Go Bikes, and you can ride it, and it's good experience at night time, but certainly not a good experience at noons. So yeah, again take a closer look at this Atal Bridge. On the other side of Atal Bridge, if you walk down like 200 meters, there is a cafe which is on water, known as Aksar River Cruise. So you can see there, that's a floating boat kind of thing, and it's over the water. It's actually beside the water. I don't know whether it's floating or it's on the land. Seems like it's on the land, but maybe it's like the Big Daddy in Goa. But yeah, it's a experience if someone wants to float and have some foods. So yep, again you can take a look at that. So taking a look at this cruise, it seems like that it's actually a boat with a driver seat. No, what it's called? It's a sailor seat or what? I don't know. But yeah, it's an actual boat, and there is a dining option inside as well as on the rooftop as well. So yeah, maybe you can give it a try if you want to try a new experience with dining. And maybe there will be some lightings at the night as well. So yep. So basically, this is a dedicated area where certain events occur, like shopping festival and some of the big fairs that happen in this ground. I think it's a government property, but so there are many government programs which occurs here as well. But yeah, it's closed anyways for people on regular days. So we can go till there, and there is a lock here. Obviously we can close the door, but it's not the ethical thing to do. So let's move ahead. So here there is a My Bike hub, you can see behind, and it consists of like maybe 500 of bicycles. You can take it on a rent, it's on a hourly basis, and also you can get it on the monthly basis as well with My Bike app. It's not a sponsored video because I am not a famous guy. So but yeah, anyways you can try it out whenever you are visiting in Ahmedabad. So basically there are certain stations where you can pick up the cycle and you can put it down to any My Bike stations in Ahmedabad. So yeah, it's a good thing if you are planning to like avoid Rapidos and rickshaws and maybe Uber as well, and take a bicycle ride to your home to put down your bicycle at a nearby station. So yeah, if you are a good rider, then obviously we'll try out that one.